Hello friends, so I welcome you all in our new video, and in this video we are going to start your new topic, that is arithmetic portion of GRE quant syllabus. In first three videos we have discussed algebra portion and we have covered many examples, many practice questions from all possible types. So let us start this video, and before starting this video let me introduce myself. I am Poojan Davda and I am former student of IISc Bangalore MTech mechanical course. In GATE exam, I have secured all India rank 66, right? So we are starting arithmetic portion and we are going to discuss multiple choice single selection question, right? So these are the subtopics included in this arithmetic portion. So arithmetic topics include properties and types of integers such as divisibility, factorization, prime numbers, remainders, odd and even integers, arithmetic operations, exponents, roots, concepts such as estimation, percent, ratio, rate, absolute value, the number line, decimal representation, and sequence of numbers. Right? These are the subtopics involved in this arithmetic portion, and we are going to discuss questions from all the subtopics. Right? So here is your very first question on your screen. As I told earlier, these questions can be solved without using pen or paper, and within seconds we have to answer the questions. The instruction for this question is multiple choice single selection type of question, so that only one option will be correct out of these 5 options. So let us read the question. Which of the following integers cannot be expressed as the sum of two prime numbers? राइट, कौन से इंटीजर को आप दो प्राइम नंबर्स के सम के फॉर्म में नहीं रिप्रेजेंट और एक्सप्रेस कर सकते? 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 are your options for this question. You can write few prime numbers starting from 2, right, and you can just try to satisfy the condition. There will be one option in which you won't be able to write that number in sum of other two prime numbers. So yes, these are the prime numbers. I will write prime numbers starting from 2. So 2, then 3, right? Then 5, 7, 11. I won't be writing 13 because options आपके जो given थे ना up to 12, right? So there is no meaning of writing 13. So if you want to write 8, right? If you want to write 8, then you can write 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. Yes, both are prime number. If you want to write 9, then you can use 2 plus 7 equals to 9. If you want to write 10, you can write 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. If you want to write 12, you can write 5 plus 7 is equals to 12. But if you want to write 11 by adding two prime numbers, then we won't be able to write 11. Because you can see from available prime numbers, so option D will be correct answer. 11 cannot be expressed as the sum of two prime numbers. 11 plus 0, 0 is not bifurcated, right? So there is no possible case. 7 plus 3, 7 plus 5, 7 plus 2, it won't make 11. So option D will be correct answer for this question. Okay. So let's move on to the next question, and this is very simple question. For each integer n greater than 1, let a of n denote the sum of the integers from 1 to n. For each integer n greater than A of n denote the sum of the integers from 1 to n. For example, a of 100 equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 100, right? We can say sum of first n positive integers. We'll start from 1 itself, right? Then what is the value of this a of 200? What will be the sum of first 200 positive integers? Options are given to you. So if you want to find sum of first n positive integers, there is one formula which we had studied in our high school mathematics, right? So what is this formula? You want to find sum of first n positive integers starting from 1 to n. Yes, this is the formula, n into n plus 1 by 2, right? So if you want to find this a of 200 first 200 positive integers sum, n equal to 200, we can put 200 into 201 divided by 2. So you got the answer, right? 20,100, that will be option D. Yes, option D is correct answer for this question. This is very simple question. You just put the formula and we have to get the value. We don't need calci, right? 200 and 100, that is 100. Okay. Let's move on the next question. Which of the following represents the total dollar amount that a customer would have to pay for an item that cost S dollars plus a sales tax of 8% in terms of S, right? Options are given to you. So customer will pay cost price of an item plus 8% of cost price as a sales tax. So customer will be paying more than S dollars to purchase that item, right? Are you getting my point? If you are in India and if you are buying some product of 100 rupees and it comes under 18% GST, you will be paying 100 rupees plus 18% of 100, that is 18. You will be paying 118 rupees to purchase that item. So you will be paying more than original cost price, right? You will be paying more than original cost price. Your answer will be greater than S. Your answer will be greater than S because you are paying sales tax, right? So by seeing just options, you can say option B will be incorrect because it is less than S. If you divide S by 1.08, it will be less than S. Option C is also incorrect. Option D is also incorrect because these all three options are. We are left with option A and option E. With just observation, you can take your option. So final cost, what will be the final cost that customer will pay? So we can write S plus 8% of cost price as a sales tax. So S into 8 divided by 100, right? So we are going to get 1.08 times, and option E is correct answer. Option E is correct answer, 1.08 times S. If GST is 18%, then we have to pay 1.18 times of S. In India, we are purchasing some product lies under 18% GST category. So we'll say 1.18 times S, right? Okay, so let's move on the next question, and here is your question on your screen. You can read the question by your own, and it's very simple question. I think you can solve this question within few seconds. Mary earned $0.75 for every mile she walked. If she will walk 1 mile, she will be getting $0.75. This question says she got $18 at the same rate. Then how many miles did she walk? Right? So we can simply write $0.75 for 1 mile. Right? $0.75 for 1 mile. Then $18 for how many miles? Right? So 18 into 1, I can write 0.75 is 3 by 4. So I'll be getting 24 miles. So yes, for this question, option D will be correct answer. It is very simple question. And let's move on the next question. This question is very interesting. So let's read this question. When the positive integer n is divided by 45, when you are dividing positive integer n by 45, the remainder is 18. Matlab it is perfectly divisible by 45. It's leaving some remainder, that is 18. Which of the following must be a divisor of n? 11, 9, 4, 7 or 6? You can pause this video. It is very interesting question. If you want help of pen and paper, you can write 1 or 2 steps to understand the situation and you can conclude the answer. I will highlight this line. If in the question we are given the data that any positive integer is divisible by 45, then we can write n is equals to 45 times k, right? Suppose I am just telling this thing for example. If we are given that any positive integer n is divided by 45, perfectly divided by 45 means it will be zero remainder case. So we can write n equal to 45 times of k. What is k? K will be positive integer. K can be 1, k can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be so on. Right? But in this case, it is having remainder as 18. So we have to write n equal to 45 times of k. And you can put a k 1, 2, 3. You can divide this by 45. You will be left with k only. But here you are left with remainder 18. So you can write n equal to 45 times k plus 18. Right? So we have defined n. Which of the following must be a divisor of n? Which of the following must be a divisor of? Can you divide n by 11? Must be your mentioned keyword. Right? Is your mentioned keyword. Eleven is there, 9 is there, 4 is there, 7 is there, and 6 is there. So you can just try by option A. You can just try n by 11. Right? So 45 is not a multiple of 11. If you will write n by 11, right? So 45 times of k plus we don't know value of k, but k can be from this. You can put values of k, right? This might be correct. For some values of k, this integer will be a multiple of 11. It might be possible, but not for all the cases, right? So option A will be incorrect. We want for all the cases. If you put n equal to 9, right? If you put n equal to 9, so we'll write 45 by 9, that is 5k, 18 by 9, that is 2. So for option B, this n will be a divisor of n. Option B is correct. For all such numbers, that are giving remainder 18 when divided by 45, what is n? N is set of all the numbers that are divided by 45 gives 18 as remainder. Or you can say, when these numbers are divided by 45, they are giving 18 as remainder, right? So that number will be perfectly divided by 9, because this 45 and 18 are multiples of 9. Irrespective of value of k, we got 0 remainder. If you will see option C, then 45 is not a multiple of 4, right? 45 is not a multiple of 4. 45 is not a multiple of 7. 45 is not a multiple of 6. But 9 is only available option which is multiple of both 45 and 80. That's why option B is correct. So let's move on the next question on your screen. One number line is given to you. There are 4 points A, B, C and D on the number lines, right? Yes. 1 by 3 coordinate of point A. We can consider it as a x-axis or y-axis, right? We can say it's an x-axis. So coordinate of point A is 1 by 3. We don't know coordinate of point B. Coordinate of C is also unknown, and coordinate of D is 1 by 2. You can just say is a x-axis or y-axis. Points A, B, C and D are on the number line above. AB is equals to CD is equal to 1 by 3 times of BC. AB is equal to CD is equal to 1 by 3 times of BC. Then what is the coordinate of C? This is numerical entry type question in which options are not given to us, right? This is also interesting question, and as options are not given to you, you have to follow accuracy as well, right? What will be length of AD portion? What will be length of AD portion? We know coordinates of point A and point B. So can we say length of AD portion? One by 2 minus 1 by 3? Yes. That will be 1 by 6. And this equation. So I will just assume, I will be helping you. So I just assume BC portion's length is 3x, right? I'm just assuming BC portion's length as 3x. So I just assume this length. I'll make calculation very simple for you. Then 3 will be cancelled out, and we will be getting length of AB is equal to length of CD portion, that is x, right? I think we have solved this question. We know coordinate of point A. On right hand side it is increasing, right? Positive I write and negative. So what will be coordinate of point C? If you want to find coordinate of point C, right? It will be equal to coordinate of point A, that is 1 by 3 plus this length x plus 3x, that is 4x, right? So 1 by 3 plus 4x will be your answer. But we don't know value of x. We know length of AD portion, it is 1 by 6, and we know length of AD portion in terms of x. What is length of AD portion in terms of x? So x plus 3x plus x, so it will be 4x, right? Sorry, it will be x plus 3x plus x, that will be 5x. Yes. Length of AD portion is equal to 1 by 6 is equals to 5x. Yes. So we got from this, we'll be getting value of x. So value of x will become 1 by 30. I'm writing on the next slide. The final answer will be 1 by 3 plus 4x and value of x is 1 by 30, right? That is equal to 7 by 15. You can just multiply by 10. So 14 by 30, so 7 by 15 is your answer for this numerical entry type question. So I hope this question is clear to everyone, and thank you guys for watching this video. Do like this video, do share this video with your friends, comment your favorite part, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, because this channel is one-stop solution for GRE Quant question. See you guys in our next video.